the new cone replacement assembly for the new SoloX. Now this one is a little bit different. It's not able to be replaced without dismounting the speaker from the enclosure. You still have to, unless you mount an infinite baffle, and you can get to both sides, but that's kind of a different story. The way we designed this speaker so you don't have to worry about the alignment, you don't have to worry about the voice coil rubbing, is there's actually screws on the front of the woofer and there's screws on the back of the woofer. And Ernie's got a video queued up that I did a little while ago that shows you exactly how easy it is to rebuild one of these woofers. It doesn't take any special tools. In fact, it only takes a 3mm Allen wrench and just a little bit of time. So when you buy your replacements for the L7X, you need to make sure that you buy the same impedance that the woofer was purchased with. So you'll notice this says 1 ohm dual voice coil. You want to make sure it matches up to the 1 ohm dual voice coil basket. The old SoloX woofers, they were interchangeable. You could buy whatever impedance you wanted. But with the new speakers, to get the maximum performance, the tolerances are extremely tight. They are not interchangeable impedances.